Is it recording?
Yep. Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's been a long day since we haven't uploaded. Sorry guys. Well, today we're gonna build with those magnetic blocks. Wow! If I could pronounce it correctly. And we're gonna build with those. Like you can make a simple house, rocket stuff. Yeah, everything. So what's the first build?
Do y'all want to try to build a rocket or do the house again?
Let's do the house.
Okay. All right, y'all build the house.
All right, kids. 3, 2, 1, go! All right. Let's build the house. Okay, I'm gonna build a big house. All right. Oh my god! There. Okay. Oh my god. Oh shoot. Let's build it here. And build a simple. There and there. Okay. Mine's just falling apart.
Oh, y'all are doing such a great job. I love both of y'all houses.
Why don't we never
Oh my god.
You have to keep doing it so people can find y'all.
Alright. Come on, Kingston. I don't need this. I'm gonna go somewhere else. Oh. Oh my gosh. No.
Take your time. It's not a competition.
I know it's not. Okay. It's kind of good. Alright. Alright. Very simple. And boom, a house. Yay. Alright, I'm done with my house. How about yours, bro?
Okay. Ta-da.
Don't be a baby, please.
Mommy.
I love it, y'all.
Alright, what's the next build?
Yeah, did a good job. Hold on. Say, are y'all proud of yourselves?
Yes,
What do y'all like about your houses?
it's good.
Ooh, you don't even have a room.
It's an open house concept.
Yeah.
Okay, so what about...
Wait, don't smash me now.
No, don't smash it. Okay, what about mailbox?
Oh, please.
King said respect his boundaries. He said don't do nothing.
Alright, I like my house because it has an open roof.
Mm-hmm.
And I can get fresh air.
Oh, yeah.
And I can watch the birds fly
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's great.
inside in that roof.
And tell the camera. Yeah, make sure you tell the camera.
Well, guys, I like about my house because I can eat fresh air, and also I can watch the birds and eagles fly.
Cool. Keisha, tell the camera what you like about your house.
Tell the camera.
Tell the camera.
Tell the camera.
It's just, I don't know what I like about it. It just,
Bruh.
my house, the roof opens, but it's nothing special about it.
What?
Well, the roof only opens just like this.
Well, that's cool. That is something special about it.
All right,
And then it opens so I can see see what's going on outside.
All right.
Well, both of y'all have are very cool and special. So y'all ready to go to the next
Okay,
one?
we got 1 point. 1 point.
1-1. Good job. All right. So next, build a mailbox.
Thunderclap!
That's enough. We're making a mailbox in 3, 2, 1, go.
Mommy, who made the best house?
Both of us.
Both of y'all.
I don't. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
This is new mailbox.
I need a 4.
Mailbox. Good chilling.
Casey, what are you doing?
I'll be right back, guys.
All right. Oh no. Sorry, girl, but I hit your door. All right, I'm done.
Cool. Want to bring it up to the camera so they can see that?
All right, y'all. About this mailbox, what I like about it is it can open and close.
Wow!
Like if I take a real mail right here, and if I let me just. I don't know. Alright, if I open this.
Cool.
Oh my god. I don't want to photo right here.
Well, next time we'll just get some small mail since it's a small mail.
Whoops, I think you can put some real mail, but it needs to be small. Like, I just tried to fold it, but it didn't fit. Yes. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Good
Except for the
job.
top and bottom.
Casey, get the blocks. Okay, take a break from so it doesn't record so long. Press in, and then when y'all do the rocket, you can press on again.
I don't know how to make a rocket.
Alright, we're gonna make a rocket in 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. It's gonna be hard.
Casey, you want to see an idea? Casey, look, this is an idea. Jackson want to see if he want to do it on his own.
It just clapped himself. Oh my god.
You're going on a trip on the moon
this. And yay, a rocket ship. Yeah, it's a rocket ship.
Okay.
Lisa, what are you making?
Rocket.
Alright.
I need one box.
I don't have no blocks.
Huh?
I don't have any blocks.
Who's this for?
That's some mail to Jason. Just put it on the brick.
Someone else's.
Keith, are you finished?
I don't have any blocks. All we have is this.
You know what? It looked like Kingston made the spaceship base and Jace made the rocket. So, Jace, you could have put your rocket in his base and it would have been a rocket and spaceship base.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, I'm done with my rocket.
Where are the rocket wings?
I don't know how to make a rocket wings.
I'll show you.
Nah, I'm good. Or I can make it like that. I can close and open. Yeah, just open it up, boys. We're making a rocket ship base?
Well, it looked like you making a rocket that's going sideways. And you made a rocket that's going up. That's good. Oh, yeah, yours going up too. Cool. Oh,
He copied mine, but it's okay.
not really. Both y'all did the same. Oh, wow. Okay. That's good. All right, show the camera case thing, Jace.
Alright, the reason I like my rocket ship, because it can open and close its wings.
Wow!
And that's it. It can just open and close its wings.
Cool. What about yours, Casey?
There's something that's special about it because
Casey, look at the camera.
it can walk and
Cool.
it can fly, and it can flap its wings.
Amazing!
Its arms straight up. And the best part about it,
Make sure you look in the camera while you
Look at the camera.
and it can hold things.
Cool. Casey, look in the camera while you talking.
And it can hold things.
Cool. I am so proud of y'all.
Now can we get on the iPad?
Yes.
Alright guys, we're
Alright,
gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching our new video right here. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Make
Bye-bye.
sure to like and subscribe and hit and smash that subscribe button.
Yep, y'all. So enjoy this. So I hope
And
you
guess
enjoyed
what?
this.
If you subscribe, you will find the iPhone under your bed tonight.
Nah, bro, that's a lie.
I will sneak into your house and use it one.
All right, enjoy this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.